Gonna be playing some Minecraft with Girly Gamer. And where is he? Swag. Girly Gamer. Si Eldridge.
Uncle.
Narinig ko siya kanina eh. O nga pala, hindi pa ako nakalagin. Saan si Eldridge? Wait lang daw. Dude! We're waiting. You dan TDM Loso. Crunch Carnival siya. Nasaan ka?
Nandito sa ano?
Saan? Saan ka? Saan ka?
Ito!
Saan ka? At punta cafe ng
VIP.
Minecraft.
VIP lang.
Nandun kami.
Oh!
No! Fudge you! Dali! Doon tayo sa may ano? Wala, VIP ako. Joke lang. Maniwala.
Ano mo ako naniwala ko?
Hindi. Dali, doon tayo sa may cafe. Hintayin natin si Eldridge doon. Hintayin niyo ako sa cafe, ah. Sali ka na. Dali! Cafe! Cafe for life! Si Eldridge, VIP. That Garrett hates me. Let's go to the cafe material. Saan yung cafe dito?
Nandun lang yan.
Ito? Cafe?
Oo, cafe lang.
Oh! Daddy have too much. Oh, you think that is funny? Saan ka?
Papunta na.
Wala ka naman eh.
Papunta na nga!
Saan si Eldridge? Oh, sama nila. Woo!
Nasaan ka?
Here guys with another video in Minecraft. We're gonna be playing.
Nasa cafe na ako.
Where?
Diretso ka dun.
Dito?
Oo.
Ah, kaya alam ko to eh.
No! I just wanted to sit here.
Saan ka ba?
Why should I care? I'm much
May
bigger
FB
than
ako.
you. Look. I'm
Yeah, yes! No! Nasaan ka? Saan kayo?
Nandito ako sa... Umikot ka?
Wala ka naman eh.
Umikot ka? Punta ako. Hindi kita makita.
Yoko na nga. Wala ka naman dito eh. Mag-check ka nga. Nandito si Eldridge.
Diyan siya.
Aso si Eldridge. Daddy not here. Saan kayo?
Nandito ako sa spawn.
Hanapin ko lang si Eldridge.
Sure, yeah.
Ikaw?
Ito ka mag-chat ko?
Ha? Wala.
Mag-chat ko?
Ano pa pangalan mo?
Early gamer.
Wala ko naman eh. Swag boy! Ah!
Ba't ka muna ako dito? Hindi na siya VIP.
VIP pa din.
Ba't sa atin pag nag-disconnect tayo hindi tayo VIP?
Here.
Anong server ba kayo?
This is my classmate Swag boy.
Ano bang server kayo? Kakainas.
Eldridge. Gawa ka bagong.
Wala naman eh! Kakainis!
Oh my god. This dude right. Dude!
Oops.
Wanna tell where he joined.
No, it's fun and just still I'll be happy when you see. And
Yes! Swag boy is here!
we all
Yay!
oh.
So good, so look. Look at this. A lot of people waiting. Holla! Holla! Sorry guys, Matty's not here right now, so let's get to the gaming. A lot of AFMAO fans in lobby. Oh! 3, 2, 1.
Whoa, no, that's not fair. That's not fair. No fair.
No fair! That's the song of Shane. Oh wait, that's Shane's song?
Daya.
Ah!
Daya kakampi sila. Yako. Anong server ba kayo?
Oh!
Anong server ba kayo? Kayo. Anong server kayo?
No!
Tinatanong kita.
Get off him! Sorry.
Ah, Ooh.
Ay! Ay, sorry! Sorry.
Hindi.
Takala ko naman, ano yun?
Ito.
Ah! Oh! Kala ko papasabugin niya.
Nasaan kayo?
Naampas niya. Pam,
Sino
pam,
nahampas niya?
pam.
Why? I have a wolf.
Yeah!
Wolfie wolf.
Stand back! Yeah, get him! Yeah, get him, dude, get him! Guys, if you want a part 2, leave it in the comment below. And I'll see you next time. Peace.
Bye.
Oh wait, not goodbye. Not yet.
No! You kicked
Ah.
me out.
Miss.
Oh! Ano pinatay niya?
No! Oh, one shot. I need this. Where are you now when I need you? Bastion Booger. If you want a part 2, leave it in the comment below. Because I want to know why do you want a part 2 of this. Oh my god! Yeah! The foreman will qualify.
Ano ba kasi yung server kayo? Ako asa.
Team bad tayo. Swag boy is winning. Let's follow cool boy. Oh! Yeah! Oh! She got the fire result. Oh, my VIP!
Yeah!
Follow him,
Follow
dude!
me. I repeat
Dude,
not.
dude! Dude, come on, 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 come on.
Stay away from my dog. Stay away
VIP
from my
ka?
dog.
VIP.
Stay away from my dog. You guys are not ruining my dog's life. You dog!
Come on, come on.
Don't worry, dog. I'll save you.
Wow!
Hindi pa kayo namamatay?
Di pa, magaling kami dyan eh.
I want team.
Liar. Liar siya, nagsasalita siya eh.
No. Leave only kids selection.
Yun sila. I need food. Come on, guys.
Come out.
Come out, come out, come out.
Get away. Get away.
I'm a man. You know that song. I don't have food anymore. I'm gonna die. Oh, there's a bread. Wait for me.
I'm so
Oh, that's my leggings. They are like you. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Parehas kami ni Eldridge.
Ano?
Helmet, leggings, boots.
Patingin?
Ito akin, no?
Patingin.
Yay!
Uy, ayun mo kaya yung
Uy,
iron
baliw!
chest
May namatay dun. Kukunin ko lang yung gamit. Para sa akin na yun, forever. Paano ko hindi ginamit?
Sent here by lifeboat. Ice glow. To teach people like you a lesson.
Yes, but
Tagal niya matalo. Kayo na lang ba dyan?
oh, hindi.
Sino pa ba? Ayan yung
Ay, nandito ka.
Ano nga?
Okay, guys, leave in the comment if you want a part 2. I'll make it.